This is Miss Sebastian, and we're going to look at Multiply and Divide Integers Quiz Part 2. Frank buys 5 dozen light bulbs. After changing the light bulbs in his house, he has 27 light bulbs left. How many light bulbs did he use? So I see he's got 5 dozen light bulbs, and I know that a dozen is 12. So I'm going to multiply 5 times 12. To find out how many light bulbs he got at the very beginning. So he had 60 light bulbs. Then he had 27 light bulbs left after he changed all the light bulbs in his house. So I'm going to say 60. And I know he had 27 left, so minus x equals 27. That's one way to look at it. I could also say 60 minus 27 equals x, because those are a fact family. So 60 minus 27 gives me 33 light bulbs. So 33 light bulbs. That's how many he used. Now, if I go back to the 60 minus x equals 27, you could simplify that by subtracting 60 from both sides. And negative x equals negative 33. You can divide both sides by negative 1. And x would equal 33. So the same thing. This is a way we'll look at a little bit later. This is a way that you can get to it without having to solve that equation in the same way. The Sears Tower is 1,453 feet tall. It has 130 floors. Rounded to the nearest whole number, what is the height of each floor? So I know that it's 1,453 feet tall. And I know that there are 130 floors. So I'm going to divide, because I'm separating it into each. Each is a word that tells me to divide. I'm going to divide by 130. So I can do my long division over here. 130 into 1,453. Well, when I look at these, I first put it into 145. 130 goes into 145 one time. 1 times 130 is 130. Subtract. And I do get 15. Then I bring down the 3. 130 goes into 153 one time. When I subtract, I do get 23. I could go one more time, add a decimal, bring that down. 130 goes into 230 one time. 130. And I could keep going, but this tells me that this number will round to 11 feet for each floor, because it's 11.1. Okay, now you could have also done this on your calculator, and your calculator would have told you that it is, let's see,